Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the health benefits of ginger tea. Natural foods and remedies can do amazing things for your health, and ginger is at the top. We're not just talking about a tasty drink here. This is serious stuff. Stay tuned to learn how this simple drink can transform your health. Let's face it, nobody likes feeling bloated after a meal. Ginger's got your back and your stomach. Used for centuries, ginger soothes your stomach and gets things moving. Gingerols and shogols stimulate digestive juices, breaking down food efficiently. Next time, reach for ginger tea instead of antacids. Inflammation is natural, but chronic inflammation is linked to health problems. Ginger acts as a natural anti-inflammatory thanks to gingerols. These compounds block inflammatory chemicals in your body. Studies show ginger helps with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Ginger reduces inflammation throughout your body, promoting overall health. Want to give your immune system a boost? Ginger tea to the rescue. Ginger is loaded with antioxidants, protecting your cells from damage. It also has antiviral and antibacterial properties to fight infections. Regularly drinking ginger tea can give your immune system an edge. Chapter 4. Nausea, not today. Whether it's motion sickness, morning sickness, or nausea from chemotherapy, ginger can be a lifesaver. It calms the stomach and reduces nausea. Ginger has been used for centuries as a remedy. It's even safe for pregnant women. Chapter 5. Soothe those sore muscles. Hit the gym a little too hard. Ginger can help with that. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce muscle pain and soreness after a workout. Studies show consuming ginger daily reduces muscle soreness and improves recovery time. Chapter 6. Get your blood pumping in a good way. Good blood circulation is essential for health. Ginger improves circulation by lowering blood pressure and preventing clots. It contains compounds that thin blood and relax vessels, improving flow. Chapter 7. Weight loss wonder. Ginger tea isn't a magic potion, but it can help in a healthy lifestyle. It boosts metabolism and reduces appetite. Helps you feel fuller longer, reducing snacking urges. Chapter 8. Keep your blood sugar in check. Ginger tea can be a game changer for people with diabetes or those at risk. Studies show ginger helps lower blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. This means your body can use insulin more effectively. Chapter 9. Fight infections like a pro. Ginger's immune-boosting powers deserve their own chapter for its infection-fighting abilities. Ginger has powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties to fight various infections. It's been traditionally used to treat colds, flu, and respiratory infections. Chapter 10. Sharpen your mind. Want a brain boost? Ginger's got you covered. Studies show ginger improves cognitive function, memory, and reaction time. It protects your brain against age-related decline and may reduce the risk of Alzheimer's. Chapter 11. Menstrual pain? No problem. Ladies, this one's for you. Ginger relieves menstrual cramps. It relaxes uterine muscles, reducing pain. Studies show ginger can be as effective as ibuprofen. Chapter 12. Glow from within with ginger. Let's talk about skin health. Ginger's antioxidants benefit your skin by protecting it from free radicals. It can reduce inflammation, fight acne, and promote a youthful complexion. Outro ginger up your life. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and wellness advice. Incorporating ginger tea into your routine can boost your health and well-being. It's simple, delicious, and packed with benefits. Brew a cup of ginger tea and enjoy its amazing power. See you next time.